What if I told you that in North Carolina, one of the fastest growing and most in-demand states in the country, you can still find clean, move-in ready homes, including one that's listed for around $1,000 total, in places where prices usually tell a very different story? No fixer-uppers, no hidden repairs, no cheap listings that turn into expensive projects the moment you move in. In this video, every single home you're about to see is ready to live in right now. Homes that offer real quality of life without the stress of long renovation timelines or surprise costs. We're talking about places that work for families, retirees, remote workers, and smart investors. We'll start with homes in the mid-$100,000 range that feel far bigger and more complete than their price suggests. And as we move forward, the numbers keep dropping step by step until we reach that final stop, the one that lands in a completely different category, where the entire property is priced around $1,000. Every property in this video was carefully selected. These are real homes in real neighborhoods, offering real value, not affordable because they're broken, but because they're quietly positioned in places most buyers overlook. So if you're thinking about relocating, downsizing, or finding a livable home that doesn't drain your budget, you'll want to stay until the very end. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this channel is about uncovering opportunities like these before they become common knowledge. By the time we reach that final property, you may look at housing in North Carolina very differently. Nestled in a peaceful corner of Greenville, North Carolina, just minutes from everyday conveniences, this is the kind of place where community feels real and life feels grounded. Greenville is a vibrant city that blends small-town friendliness with big city access. You're minutes from shopping, eateries, healthcare at ECU Health, and all the services you need for daily life and work. The area benefits from strong infrastructure, proximity to major roads like Highway 264, and an economy anchored by education, medical services. Crime rates here are moderate, and residents value stability, convenience, and that sweet spot between urban energy and quiet living. The climate brings warm Carolina summers, colorful falls, pleasant springs, and mild winters with only occasional chilly snaps. Now, let's talk about the home itself, because this one delivers surprising value. Priced at $172,500, this townhome at 1117 Grovemont Drive, Unit I-4 offers over 1,450 square feet of thoughtfully updated living space. Built in 1994, it features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms in a layout that feels both stylish and functional. The exterior presents classic townhome charm with low-maintenance vinyl siding and an accessible entry from a friendly neighborhood setting. Step inside and you'll find fresh LVP flooring and new paint throughout, making the space feel bright, modern, and move-in ready. The main level flows from a cozy living area into an open kitchen and dining space, ideal for gatherings or everyday family life. Upstairs, you'll discover 3 comfortable bedrooms, including a generous primary suite that offers privacy and comfort. This home has been well cared for, delivering both style and practicality without the weight or headache of major renovations. Situated with easy access to local amenities, schools, and commuting routes, this property is perfect for first-time buyers, investors, or anyone looking for quality and convenience in Greenville. And here's the best part. If you think that's a lot of home for the price, wait until you see what's next. Just down the way we're heading to a property that changes the story entirely. Smaller footprint, even lower price, and a totally different lifestyle vibe waiting to be discovered. Stay with me to explore that next, continuing our journey from coastal vibes back into the heart of North Carolina. We arrive in Greenville, a city where convenience meets community, and everyday living feels both accessible and comfortable. Greenville sits comfortably in eastern North Carolina with a friendly blend of suburban ease, proximity to shopping, dining, and the vibrant campus life around East Carolina University. Plus healthcare services anchored by ECU Health. The local economy is supported by education, healthcare, retail, and light industry, making this an appealing area for first-time buyers and anyone who wants quality living without sacrificing access to amenities. The climate offers warm summers, mild springs and falls, and winters that rarely see anything more than a cool breeze, a setting many buyers find appealing year-round. Now let's turn to the home itself, because this property delivers great value in a neighborhood where listings don't last long. Priced at $165,000, this well-maintained townhouse at 1548 Manning Forest Drive Unit M4 offers 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and about 1,098 square feet of living space in a desirable Greenville neighborhood. Built in 2006, this home blends low-maintenance living with thoughtful updates and a layout that works for everyday life. From the exterior, the townhome feels welcoming and sits in a community where residents value quiet surroundings, yet remain close to city conveniences. Inside, updates completed within the past few years, like LVP flooring, fresh interior paint, and modern stainless steel appliances, help the space feel bright, current, and move-in ready. A practical floor plan flows from a defined living area into a cook-friendly kitchen, complete with ample cabinet space and a breakfast bar, perfect for morning coffee or casual meals. Outdoor space includes a private patio, a nice bonus for relaxing on warmer evenings or entertaining friends and family. The 2 bedrooms are comfortable and functional, offering flexibility for a starter home, investment property, or downsizing option. With its prime location near shopping, restaurants, the ECU campus, and medical services, this home hits a sweet spot between peaceful neighborhood living and access to the things you need daily. And if you think that's an excellent value for $165,000, wait until you see what's coming next. Our next stop brings us to a property with a totally different setting. More land, a rural atmosphere, and a price that might just redefine what you expect at this price point. Stay with me for that next chapter. As we continue our journey through North Carolina, we now arrive in Yadkinville, a peaceful town in Yadkin County that offers classic small-town living surrounded by rolling countryside and vineyards. This area is well known for its quiet neighborhoods, strong sense of community, and easy access to daily necessities like grocery stores, schools, healthcare, and local businesses. Larger hubs, such as Winston-Salem, are roughly 30 to 35 minutes away, giving residents access to major hospitals, shopping centers, universities, and employment opportunities without sacrificing a calm home base. The local economy is supported by agriculture, manufacturing, small businesses, and regional tourism tied to the Yadkin Valley wine region. Crime rates are low, and the lifestyle here is relaxed, family-friendly, and ideal for anyone who values space, privacy, and a slower pace of life. The climate brings warm summers, colorful falls, mild springs, and generally manageable winters, with only occasional cold snaps. Now let's take a closer look at the home itself, because this is where the value really starts to stand out. Located at 314 Westridge Drive, this traditional single-family home offers a solid blend of space, comfort, and affordability in a well-established neighborhood. Set on a generous lot, the home provides multiple bedrooms and bathrooms in a layout designed for everyday practicality. From the exterior, the house presents a classic, well-kept appearance with a driveway, yard space, and mature surroundings that give the property a settled, lived-in feel. Inside, the home feels comfortable and functional, with defined living areas that make it easy to separate relaxation, dining, and daily routines. The living room offers ample space for family gatherings or quiet evenings at home, while the kitchen connects naturally to the dining area, making meals and entertaining straightforward and convenient. Bedrooms are well proportioned, offering flexibility for family members, guests, or a dedicated home office. Overall, this is a home that prioritizes livability and long-term comfort rather than flashy upgrades, making it a strong option for buyers who want dependable value in a peaceful setting. Step outside and you'll appreciate the yard space, ideal for kids, pets, gardening, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Whether you're looking to settle down, grow into the space, or enjoy a quieter lifestyle near nature and wine country, this home fits the bill. But don't go anywhere just yet. The next property takes us in a completely different direction, back toward a more urban, convenient lifestyle, with low-maintenance living, a different price point, and a setup that's perfect for buyers who want simplicity without giving up location. Let's talk about the home, because this one is all about simplicity, location, and low-maintenance living. Priced affordably. This condo at 3256 Landmark Street Unit A6 offers a smart, efficient layout designed for everyday comfort. Situated in a managed community, this unit is ideal for first-time buyers, downsizers, or investors looking for an easy ownership option in a strong rental market. The exterior reflects low-maintenance living, with shared upkeep that removes the stress of major exterior repairs. Inside, the layout is practical and straightforward. The living area provides enough space to relax or entertain, flowing naturally into the kitchen and dining area for everyday functionality. The kitchen is efficient and easy to work in, with ample cabinetry and room to handle daily routines without wasted space. Bedrooms are comfortable and well-sized for sleeping, working from home, or accommodating guests. The overall feel is clean, livable, and move-in ready, making it a solid option for anyone who values location and ease over excess square footage. With close proximity to medical centers, shopping plazas, restaurants, and major roads, this property offers strong value for buyers who want to stay connected without stretching their budget. And don't go anywhere yet, because the next property takes a sharp turn in a completely different direction. Yes, you saw that price correctly in the thumbnail. And no, it's not missing 2 zeros. Let's take a look. We now arrive in Fuquay-Varina, a vibrant town just south of Raleigh, where suburban life meets historic charm. Fuquay-Varina has grown steadily over the past decade, with well-maintained neighborhoods, reliable infrastructure, and access to everyday services like grocery stores, healthcare, and a variety of restaurants and shops. The town's economy is supported by healthcare, education, local businesses, and commuters who work in the broader Raleigh-Durham area. Safety levels here are good, and the community feel is relaxed and family-oriented. The climate brings warm summers, mild winters, and pleasant spring and fall seasons that make outdoor living easy most of the year. Now let's turn to the home, because this one is all about location, modern build quality, and convenient living. Priced inexplicably at just $1,895, this new construction townhouse at 435 Parker Station Avenue offers 1,735 square feet of well-planned living space. Located in the desirable Parker Station neighborhood, one of the only walkable communities steps from historic downtown Fuquay-Varina, this home blends convenience with style. Built in 2024, the layout delivers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths across 2 floors, providing space for everyday life or hosting guests. The exterior reflects modern transitional design and includes a 2-car attached garage with rear entrance, making parking and storage much easier than typical townhomes. Inside, the open concept main floor feels bright and connected. The kitchen features a bar top and gas range, flowing smoothly into the great room and dining area, a setup that works well for daily routines and informal gatherings. Large windows bring in natural light, and the layout feels spacious and functional. Upstairs, the owner's suite features a generous walk-in closet and its own bathroom. Additional bedrooms are flexible for family, guests, or a home office. With laundry conveniently located on the second floor, daily chores become easier too. Situated within walking distance of local shops, cafes, and community spots, this property offers a low-maintenance lifestyle that appeals to first-time buyers, investors, or anyone who wants to be near downtown amenities. So there you have it, a full tour of real homes across North Carolina, each offering solid condition, livable space, and real value in places people actually want to live. From established neighborhoods near medical centers and universities, to quieter towns and growing communities tied to jobs and infrastructure, every property in this video was chosen for one reason: quality without unnecessary cost. Now, about that final home. Yes, the price you saw is unusually low. There is a possibility that the listing price is incorrect. But we've checked it across multiple platforms, and the same number appears everywhere. Our role here isn't to speculate or hype. It's to surface the best opportunities we can find and let you decide what makes sense for you. These aren't broken homes or risky projects. They're real properties with real potential. And in today's market, that matters. If this video helped you see what's still possible, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll keep doing the research, digging through the listings, and bringing you the best deals we can find before most people ever see them.